Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new floor plan by Rockwood. It's the Geo Pro 19RL. Theater seats in the back, rear living, single slide out, bedroom up front, great couples floor plan. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with this slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, when you come in, you slide out, bedroom up front, nice large windows, bathroom. The nice change on this floor plan, rear living, you got the theater seats with the removable tables. As you can see, I don't have the table on this side. You can remove the pedestals, everything. But they do recline, and they are directly across from the entertainment area. So your TV is a 32-inch, 12-volt smart TV. You got your sound control here, drawers, heat duct, your fuse panel and circuit breaker, your pantry. Remove the shelves. You got hanging storage, roller shades throughout, deep overhead storage, windows that open so you get good cross breeze. In the slide out, you've got refrigerator. It's got the lock on it. It's 12-volt refrigerator freezer. One of my new favorite items, I bring it up all the time. This book gives you your manuals. You can scan the QR code. Look how neat everything is. The Lippert jacks, the tires, Frog, the owner's group, notes for you to take. Just a nice customer service book. Everything is nice and neat and organized. How to use that Power Pro. So the voice activated explains to you how to use it, to sync your phone to it. Nice booklet here instead of everything just thrown in a bag all over the place. Nice and organized. You've got your convection microwave oven, cover over your 2-burner range that acts as a splash guard. Nice size stainless sink. You've got pop-up charging areas, silverware holder, storage, nice little bottle opener there. Exhaust for your range, exhaust outside. Your solar controller, thermostat for your AC. Then you've got your bathroom, foot flush toilet. You got a heat duct, Maxxair fan with a cover on the roof, medicine cabinet. You've got the shower miser, overhead skylight. It is tight. I am not fitting. Oh, I fit. You probably 6'2" is going to be comfortable. I'm 6'5". That isn't going to work. Moving to the bedroom, storage, nice mattress, and you've got fire escape window again with roller shades up front, overhead storage, receptacle. So a nice setup in the bed area, your slide out, all ready to go. Your brand new floor plan, 2026 Forest River ROCKWOOD GEO Pro. Work our way outside, take a look out there. All right, automotive windshield, ROCKWOOD GEO Pro logo, power tongue jack, got your 7-pin and chain holder, dual battery box that will come with 1 battery, 2 20-pound LP bottles, your rock guard, magnets that hold up those slam latch doors, pass-through storage, docking lights, which are your LED lights here, backside of your hot water heater, your hot and cold outside shower, your docking area, your 30-amp service, black tank flush, cable and satellite, your winterization, and your city water hookup. Black and gray dump valves. You got manual stabilizer jacks, all 4 corners. You slide out, you got slide topper, frameless windows. The exhaust for your range does exhaust outside. Little storage area here. In the back, your magnet again, that'll hold this door up. Another storage area and your freshwater fill. And there's your freshwater drain. There's rear jacks. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Your TV antenna, roof vent, skylight, Maxxair fan, solar panel, top of your slide toppers. Prep for backup camera. You've got a receiver on the back that's set up for 300 pounds. Good for bike rack, storage bin. Full-length power awning with LED lights. Again, frameless windows, your large assist handle. Step above entry steps folds right into the camper. Off-road tires. You've got a spot here for a rack, prep table, and you've got your LP quick connect here so you can do a portable grill, cooktop. There's your spare tire drop down, and then your sewer hose holder there. You are prepped for a portable solar panel. Again, I'll trickle charge those batteries for you. The other side of that pass-through storage. Your brand new 2026 ROCKWOOD GEO Pro. It's the new 19 RL. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott.